Hello everyone. Now in this tutorial we are going to cover events in a Node.js. So new events is a signal that notify us something has happened. To understand events, let's take example. So we have learned HTTP as a module. So whenever a client requests we are client HTTP is listening to a port and client requests for that, so it raises a event. Say, so client has raised some request, so always it HTTP module also raised one request or event that is called as events. So for practically understanding the events, let's write some code. So let's declare where event emitter equal to require events. Now make it const declare. Now let's create an object event equal to new event emitter. So now what is event emitter? Event emitter is a class. So if you want to see, so let's go to the documentation of Node.js. So now see, event emitter is a class, so of the part of events. So if I am making a class object, so this is the object and this is the class. Now if I want to register the event, register the event, so I should type event dot on and it's accepting two parameters. First one is the name of the event. Suppose I am saying raise event, and next one is callback. So we have already learned callback, so let's write a callback function, anonymous function call back, and define a method console dot log raised a request. Now next one is emit. So event dot emit and pass the same event name. Now let's call node events dot js. Now see, this is the callback method which is getting called whenever we are saying event.emit, it's raising the event, and through that on it's giving the call to the callback. So that's how you can create a event and raise the event. So thanks for watching this video, and I'm continuing to giving the other tutorial in the Node.js. Thanks.